Have you ever gone out to the garden to get strawberries and found that the Roly Polies have already done the work for you? Now, that happens to me a lot. And I had tried various things. You can see I put down this mulch that's actually almost like they would use in a chicken box. Here is one of those roly polies, and you'll see this bed is actually full of them. The mulch didn't help at all. I used diatomaceous earth, never was able to get successful with that, particularly because we have enough rain that it would wash away all the time. So here's more of those roly polies for you. And so I researched other solutions of what to do. You may remember that I had even a short or two showing my frustration. Let's roll one of those real quick. Then I learned about Sluggo, and Sluggo is what I decided to use and give a good test to. Um, so basically, it comes in this container that you just poke open the top of it, and then you just shake. And so I shook it around in my strawberry bed. I shook it around in my other garden beds. I shook it around a little bit in my walkways, but not really so much in my walkways. And lo and behold, within a few weeks, the roly-poly problem was basically gone. So that's what I'm going to talk about today is the Sluggo, and I think it is a real solution for roly-polies. It claims to be organic, so if you're comfortable with that, you can use it in your garden, and it does get rid of obviously slugs, snails, and roly-polies. So those are a lot of the pests that are just really annoying in the garden. Now, this is a Friday video, so as many of you know, on Fridays we give away something that we are talking about in the video. And so today we are giving away some Sluggo Plus. Rather than it just being for people who comment on this video, although I'd love to hear your thoughts on Sluggo Plus, and please drop below if you have other ways of getting rid of roly-polies too. But we're today going to be giving away to someone who is on our email list. So we encourage you to sign up there. Email is the best way to be informed when new videos are dropping. You can indicate what sort of things you like receiving notifications about, and we can send you those ways. And we also have additional gardening content that will be in those emails. So please do sign up for that. And I'll include the link here to King Sumo, which we are going to use to process this giveaway for us. So it'll just have an opportunity for you to enter your email address there, and you'll be signing up for our email list. And then we will have it pick who ultimately wins. So head over there now if you're interested. If you're already signed up for our list, still go over there and do an entry so you're entered in this particular contest. And we will make sure to get that information. But it is Friday, so we do have a giveaway from last week where we're giving away some Burpee seed starting mix. So let's go ahead and do that drawing right now. All right, putting in the link to that last video. Here we are. Pick a random YouTube comment. All right. Gappy or Gapy? She says, Jiffy is probably my favorite seed starting mix. I also like using Pro Mix as a seed starting mix. Never had a gnat problem with either of those. If you want to go ahead and send me an email at gardening@bestgardenchannel.com, we'll send you a Sluggo Plus. So glad to have you here visiting the channel. We know you have a YouTube channel too. So everyone feel free to check out her channel. Respond in the next week or two, and we'll get you that. If for some reason you don't respond, we'll pick someone else at a later point.